Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make sprinkles or birthday cupcake. This cupcake recipe, it's unbelievably easy. For the ingredients, we need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of sprinkles, half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of fresh milk, 3/4 cup of sugar. This is really important to be at room temperature, which is 125 grams of room temperature butter and 1.5 cups of plain flour. Okay, to begin, we're just going to combine the dry ingredients. So combine the flour, the salt, and the baking powder. Give it a quick mix. Now in the bowl, add all the ingredients together. Add the sugar, the butter, the eggs, vanilla, milk, and the dry ingredients. So the process is really easy. Now we're going to beat this using an electric mixer. Start at slow speed. Once everything is well combined, you can start mixing it at high speed. Just do not overmix the batter. Stop once and then scrape down the side of the bowl. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Then give this a quick mix. And it's time to fold in the sprinkles. So as you can see, the process is really easy, but one important thing to make sure is the butter is at room temperature. This cupcake is so light and moist. And now we're going to put this in a cupcake pan lined with parchment paper, about 3/4 of the way full. And we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until when you insert the skewer in the middle and the skewer comes out clean. So all in all, I made about 13 cupcakes. But this is large cupcakes. And this is what it looks like after baking. Let this cool down completely before icing. One process that I do after baking this is I immediately take this out of the baking pan and put this to a wire rack. Now let's make the buttercream. For the buttercream, we need 3 tablespoons of cream, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of butter, and 3 cups of sifted icing sugar. So to begin, we're going to beat the butter. Make sure that the butter is at room temperature as well. To this, we're going to add the vanilla and the salt. Half of the cream. Now we're going to gradually add the sugar. Don't add the sugar all at once. So once the sugar is absorbed by the butter, you can add sugar or icing sugar. So this is about 1/4 cup at a time. And once all the icing sugar is in, continue beating using high speed. Add the last addition of the cream. If you don't have cream, you can also use fresh milk. Stop to scrape down the side of the bowl. Then give it one final mix. And this is perfectly pipeable, delicious buttercream. As you can see, it's very light and it's very fluffy. So I'm using 1 tip in here. I'm sorry, I'm not good in piping. And then just to finish our cupcake, we're going to sprinkle this with sprinkles again on top. You can decorate this whichever way you like. So just to finish the look, I melted some white chocolate, then cut them into circle and hearts. This is optional. And this is our finished product. This is so easy to make and the cupcake is so delicious. I can guarantee that you're gonna love and enjoy this. And just to show you what it looks like inside the cupcake, just to show you how moist it is inside and light. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you give this a try. I'll see you again next week. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye!